How to become a best cadet in NCC India. NCC, National Cadet Corps, India is one of the most powerful organization of India. It is a platform for the youth of India to develop life skills, leadership qualities and youth exchange programs. Steps 1. First of all, gather the information required for the written exam. Issue the manuals regarding weapons and their parts. 2. General knowledge about Indian political and economical history, gun parts, their ranging as well as their types. 3. Now, never forget the basics of drill. Types of drills, types of salutes should not be forgotten at all. The drill itself consists of 150 marks, so it should be done correctly. 4. Your dressing should be perfect. Uniform should be ironed, without missing any part. Try making a list of all the parts and stick it near the mirror so that never forget anything. The list could be like this: line, yard, name, plate, belt, title, shoulders, medal and cloth, and anything else if you are a promoted cadet. 5. Be ready for the interview. Practice for the common questions and write them all in your notebook. Keep your posture erect and make a proper eye contact with the officer as it reveals your confidence. 6. Firing has to be outstanding. Learn the basics of firing and perfect aiming and you are done. Tips: contact your seniors for some help regarding the question papers and gun manuals. Warnings: never be overconfident in front of your senior officers.